Wilkie offers a timeless and versatile architectural stone system for all your wall cladding projects. Thanks to the innovative and quick installation system using the EasyKey anchor keys, the stone look is now accessible to everyone. The panels are reversible. Both top and bottom can be reversed to facilitate the use of textured ends and minimize waste. Before starting the work, it is necessary to evaluate the quantity of panels required. To do this, multiply the length of the wall by its height in feet. Subtract the area of windows, doors, and any other areas that will not be covered. You are now left with a net wall area in square feet. One Wilkie panel covers 2 square feet. For gables, multiply the width of the base, B, by the height, H, and divide this result by 2. It is recommended to add 3% to the calculated area to account for waste for the entire project. The number of starter strips required is equal to the length in feet measured at the bottom of the wall, rounded up to the nearest 8-foot section. If the installation extends above openings, windows, doors, garage doors, etc., add the length of these openings, as a starter strip will be required above them. At a minimum, a water-resistant weather barrier WRB meeting the requirements must be installed on the structure where the Wilkie panels will be fastened. To install the Wilkie panels, you will need the following tools. It is very important to wear all recommended safety equipment. Wilkie stone panels can be installed both outdoors and indoors. For indoor installation, ensure that you have a rigid surface screwed into the wall studs, such as 1/2-inch plywood or 7/16 of an inch OSB to secure the anchor keys.